Infection. Stuxnet enters a system via a USB stick and proceeds to infect all machines running Microsoft Windows. By brandishing a digital certificate that seems to show that it comes from a reliable company, the worm is able to evade automated detection systems. Search. Stuxnet then checks whether a given machine is part of the targeted industrial control system made by Siemens. Such systems are deployed in Iran to run high-speed centrifuges that help to enrich nuclear fuel. Update. If the system isn't a target, Stuxnet does nothing. If it is, the worm attempts to access the internet and download a more recent version of itself. Compromise. The worm then compromises the target system's logic controllers, exploiting zero-day vulnerability software weaknesses that haven't been identified security experts. Control. In the beginning, Stuxnet spies on the operations of the targeted system. Then it uses the information it has gathered to take control of the centrifuges, making them spin themselves to failure. Deceive and destroy. Meanwhile, it provides false feedback to outside controllers, ensuring that they won't know what's going wrong until it's too late to do anything about it.